it's Eliana, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of all my fidget spinners. Well, not really a tour. I'll just be showing you guys all of my fidget spinners that I have, and yeah. So, I gotta warn you guys, I don't have very many. I've only got 4. I got a new one today, so yeah. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is this one. This orange one that I have. It's a very heavy one. It doesn't make a noise, as you guys can tell, because it's heavy. Yeah, it doesn't make much of a noise, and it spins slow because it's a very heavy one. It's not one of the light ones. And so the next one is this black one. This one does make a noise. It's more lightweight. Woohoo! I'm tired. Okay, the next one, I have a white one. It is the same exact weight as this one. They make the exact same sound. And yeah. So, my last one, I'm very excited to show you guys. It's very lightweight. It makes a very loud noise. I'm not going to show it to you guys. And it spins for a very long time because it's very light. You guys can probably see it on my face. You push buttons, it's a light up fidget spinner. Woohoo! Oh, one's not on. So you can turn this to 4 different modes. So there's off, the first mode. On. The second mode. Woohoo! Whoa! And then the 4th mode. My camera's or my phone isn't really focusing on it that well. But yeah, it's kind of focusing. This is my favorite one, and then you just turn it off. So all you have to do is push it, and it turns on. And you push it 3 times, and it turns off. Okay, so now I have an announcement to make. My mom got some Thrive in the mail today. So I turned the box into an idea box. And every Wednesday, you guys, well, on this video, I want you guys to comment down below what item out of this bucket, or box, why did I say bucket? Out of this box that you want me to do this Wednesday. And every Wednesday I'm going to be doing something out of it. And yeah. So this, you just can't comment bubble wrap, because I'm saving that for when I get like 500 or 1,000 subscribers. And then, so one of the things that you can comment is the hand sanitizer challenge. I had to do, if I don't do this and it's the most commented, I'm sorry. It's just because I might not have Brianna or Emma over because, yeah, I have to do this one with a friend. Wreck this journal. And if I don't do it and it's the most commented, it's just because I would rather do it with a friend. But I can do this by myself or with a friend. Either way works. The Not My Arms makeup challenge. I've got more makeup in here, and I have to do that with a friend too. So, an update on my slime tour. Well, part 2. So, and if like none of them, if like I haven't been getting comments on my videos lately, so if I still don't get comments on my videos, then I'll just choose something to do. And yeah, so you guys better get commenting, and I want them to be commented on this video, so make sure you comment what you want me to do out of this box this Wednesday. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on Wednesday or before. Bye. Make sure you get commenting. Bye.